Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create a barcode reader in Power App step by step. A barcode reader in Power App help user quickly scan product codes, inventory IDs, ticket, assist number, and many other type of data directly using a mobile device camera. Instead of manually typing long codes, user can simply scan the barcode and instantly capture the value inside the app. This feature is extremely useful for inventory management, warehouse system, product verification, etc. So this is our blank canvas app. Now go to the insert tab, then search a barcode reader and insert it into the app. After inserting it, rename the control properly using proper naming convention. Make the app easier to manage and understand, especially in large projects. Now insert a button and a text label. Rename them properly as well. The button will help us store the scanned barcode data, and the label will display the scanned barcode value to the user. Now select the button and rename this text as scan. Go to the onSelect property, remove the existing formula and add this formula. Now let's understand this formula. This line stores all scan barcode results into a variable called where all codes. Set is used to create or update a global variable. Where all codes is our variable name. BRD scanner barcode contain all barcode data scanned by the barcode reader control. This line extracts the first barcode from the collection of scanned barcodes. First gets the first record from the table, where all codes contain all scanned barcode, where code 1 store the first barcode record separately. Now select the label, go to the text property, remove the existing text and add this one. Now let's understand this formula, where code 1 contains the first barcode record. Dot value extract the actual barcode number or text from the record. So basically this formula shows the scanned barcode value to the user. Now insert a vertical gallery. Now rename this gallery properly. Now select the gallery, go to the items property, remove the existing formula and add this formula. So this formula displays all scan barcode record inside the gallery. Earlier, we stored all the barcode result inside the where all codes variable. Now the gallery connected to that variable, so every scanned barcode will automatically appear inside the gallery. This is useful when multiple barcodes are scanned. User want to track scan history. We need to display all scan result dynamically. Now save the application. This make the app available for testing and uses on mobile device. Now we will test the application on mobile device. The reason we are using a mobile device is because the barcode reader uses the device camera to scan barcode in real time. Desktop system usually cannot provide the same scanning experience as mobile device. So open the Power App mobile application and run the app. Now click on barcode reader control and then click on write option. Once the barcode scan is successfully, press the scan button. Now we can see the scan barcode value is displayed inside this label. All scan barcode record are displayed inside the gallery. This confirms that our barcode reader application is working successfully. So in this video, we learned how to create barcode reader in Power Apps. Thanks for watching.